The serpentine belt is the primary component for driving the accessory systems on your vehicle. It's a very important component that is often overlooked and checked in properly. John, how do you teach your students to check the wear of the serpentine belt?
Well, Pete, what I don't teach them to do is that old school method. This is a neoprene belt, so you bend it like this here and you count the cracks. It's not gonna work anymore. This is EPDM material, so a little bit different. I got a new belt, an aged belt, and a worn belt. So you go down to an auto parts store, pick one of these up, and this is actually gonna stick in the grooves. On the new one, well, it's sticking up real high. We're in good shape. I go over to the actual age belt, it's starting to be recessed down in the grooves. And then on the worn belt, I can't feel that at all. Pete, what's that doing, man? It's introducing a lot of heat to the components, and that's not a good thing.
No, it absolutely increases the wear on those very expensive parts that we want to avoid. If you want more resources about training, go to DormanTrainingCenter.com for more.
For Dorman Products, I'm John Gardner, and that's the world's best, Pete Meier.